Good morning, students. Here I welcome you to our virtual class. So, students, in introduction part, we have learned, we have discussed about the name of some Santa, that is Santa Naneshwar, Santa Haridas, Santa Mirabai, Santa Tulsidas, Santa Valmiki, and Santa Tiruvellular. They have shown their own well work for the welfare of the society, and they did lots of things. Okay, so in this way today we are going to learn about the Tiruvalliyar poet. He was a Tamil poet. Okay, and he was a seller of various fabric also. So today we are going to learn that what is the worth of a fabric. That in introduction part we have learned what is the work of the chapati from the beginning, from the cultivation. In the same way, the worth of a fabric also we are going to learn, and how this Tiruvallur explain about it. So we are going to learn about it. So students, Tiruvallur. Tiruvallur is what? That he was a great Tamil poet. He was a Tamil poet, and who lives in a Tamil about 2000 years ago. कितने साल पहले वो रहते थे वहां पे? That he lives in a 2000 years ago. And the book which is written by the Tiruvallur is the Tirukkural. It's a book of his teaching, and this book is respected and loved by today also. And the student, this Thurivalya, is also a textile weaver. Textile weavers means he weaves clothes also, and he weaves a beautiful fabrics, beautiful clothes, and even he weaves also, and he sold in the market. And the people were saying that he never got angry on anyone, and he never used bad words to the other people, and he never shouted on others also. So students, here we are going to learn about this worth of a fabric. So that we have learned that Tiruvallur was a textile weaver also, and he weaves a beautiful saris and all. So on that day, in a town, there was a young man. Here you in this picture, you can see it, that this young person came to this young person came to in a village, and he always used to harass the people and and he say what? That he wasted most his time. This young person, he never did any work. Mostly he waste all his time with his friend to roam here and there and to make a fun of the other people. And the young man that said that he don't believe that this person is said that I don't believe what people say about valuer, because saying that I assure you, I bet you that I will make the Tiruvallur angry. Okay. Then he was so arrogant, young man. Arrogant means what? He always think, means he always tease the people. Okay, he always tease the people, and Tiruvallur, then he goes to the market and talk to the Tiruvallur, and he pick up a piece of a fabric and ask what is the cost of this fabric. Then later on, asking this, then the sense, the Tiruvallur said, the cost of this fabric is the 8 coins. Then the young man, what the young man did, he tore that piece of cloth into 2 parts. Then he said, now, what is the cost of this cloth now? Then the saint said, now it is 4 coins, because when it was a whole cloth, he was ready to sell that cloth in a 4 coins. Now that young person tear it. Then he said, now what is the cost of this cloth? Then the saint said, now after tearing, the cost of this clothes fabric is the 4 coin. Then that young person then asked, why you are not angry? Then he said, then he tore again that pieces into half. Then again he asked, what is the cost of this fabric? Then he said, the cost of this fabric is the 2 coins. Now it was the young man who becomes so impatient and so eagerly he asked, I tear it into 2 parts. Now tell me what is the cost of this? Then he started to make it in a half of it. First he said 2 coins, then the 1 coin, then the half coin. Then at last fabric reduced to rags. Reduced to rags means it quite torn and it is very small piece. Now the fabric is the worthless. Then I will not name any price of this tag. Then the young man did not know what to say because he was so proud of his riches. So then after tearing it, so he only feels so ashamed that he make a small pieces of that clothes. Then later on, he never asks the price of that fabric and he gives all the 8 coins. Then the Tiruvelle simply smiled and he refused to take the 8 coins. Then the young man, now this fabric has no use. It becomes so worthless because no one is able to wear it now. Then he said, do you know the fabric was not made in a one day. Many people has to engage in that. First of all, what farmer has to grow in the field for 4 months or for many months, and that crop has to go through with a lots of sun and rain. Then he has to pick up the cotton from each ball and he has to spin, and that spin become in a thread. Then that thread become dyed carefully. Dyed means it is wash it carefully. Then it takes the make the lovely colors. Then later on, this wife and he come together and weave it, and then in that they put a beautiful design, and then later on it is at last it is a beautiful in colors, so that every fabric has their own value. So that's why when you destroyed the fabric, means the Tiruvallu saying to that particular person that you have destroyed that fabric, you have destroyed all the labor went to its making. Money cannot bring it back. Then in a very softly, means these words get touched to the man's heart. Really, because you are saying the whole journey. He says the whole journey, how that cotton gets mixed. Then the later on, this person feels so ashamed. This person so ashamed. And then the Tiruvalya said, I can weave another fabric like this, but our life, really students, our life is also like the fabric, because if you will tear, means if you will damage your life with a naughtiness, with a meaningful actions or with a a meaningless life, so it never back it again. And the eyes of this rich man gets open, and he decided that he will not waste his time again and again. Okay, students, so here this is a short description of your story. So what is written? They basically here there is the story in between the two character, that is a Tiruvallur and the young man. A young man always roam in the village, and this Tiruvallier, he sold the fabric and even is a good saint. And the people is saying that he never angry on anyone. So this young man decided that he will make him angry. So he goes to his shop and he tear that fabric and asking the what is the value. Later slowly, then he said the cost of that fabric is 8 coin. Then he tear it and he asked the cost of this fabric is a 4 coin. Then he makes tear it again and again. Then it makes a small piece of a cloth. Then he again asks what is the cost of it. Then the Tiruvallier said there is a no cost of it because no one is going to wear it. Then this young man is gives 8 coins of it. Then this Tiruvallier explains the whole journey of the clothes, how the farmer gets weaved. Then it's just take out from the cotton balls. Then how get it weaves. Then how get it dry. Then after getting dry, the wife and the Tiruvallier, how it gets weaved. Then by listening this, this young man started to feel so ashamed, and this Tiruvallier said, don't feel so bad. I will again weave this such kind of clothes to you. Okay, students. So here we have done with our lesson.